look at that. Oh my God, here they go. That barge is getting bigger and bigger, but they keep going back down. Hard, bro. Hezzy, bro. I didn't even do nothing to it. Crappie.
Oh, there you go. A little one. No, little one. Crappie, dude.
Oh, yeah. Oh, got it. Yeah. Finally. Woohoo. Woo. Finally. Oh, my God. What the freak? Oh. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm just throwing behind.
Oh my God, I just jumped right out in the water.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, got him! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Finally. Finally. Yeah.
Oh, finally, you just got there.
Oh, no, but I finally caught a fish.
Oh, that was going to spit out the hole. Look at that, man. It's so good.
Then he swallowed that, so he wanted it.
There is no wrong hole.
Yeah. Yeah, I might need plier on this one. Oh, I Oh, got it. Oh, with the beer in the hand too. It seems big. Whoa, it's a wiper. Yeah. Oh no, it's a white bass. Small. It's small. Oh, see what you, maybe I'm doing something wrong. See, right now it's chasing. Oh my God, dude. You see mine go, look mine, you like, oh, you go to what you like. I can't get him. Unless the thing's messing up, but that pink bar getting big as hell. Oh, got it. Oh, shit, I told you. That pink bar must be. Oh, almost got it. I got him. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Dude, they like the red hair, bro. Oh my God. Oh, might have to retie that one.
Oh, hell no. Minnesota can take that white bass.
Oh, it's still good. You got the red buckshots?
I ran out of those.
Oh, that's what's biting mine.
Those red buckshots, man, they are fire here, dude. That's why I have that macho minnow. That's the closest color.
Yeah. Come on, come see me. Ooh, there's a fish I just went by. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, here you go. Oh, here you go. Oh, right there, I got it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think I found a color. I think I found it. That was the last one, too. Oh, shit. Oh, no. 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 No, 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 no.
Yeah, you gotta come over here, Jay. I got my hole in there, but you can take that one out, dude.
Oh, no, no, no.
I'm gonna go take his hole while he moves.
Hey, we share here. We share here, man. Hey, this white bass is better than catching bluegills like they do in Minnesota. I rather catch this than bluegills.
Dude, that's because too many people ice fish in Minnesota, man.
Yeah.
They fish them all. They live for that, yeah.
They're all excited with those little bluegill, little crappie. I rather do this instead. Oh, the ice stove. Oh, got him. I don't know. Oh, my gosh. Dude. Get off the transducer. What the hell? Oh no, man. What was that? Is that normal, Jackson? That's scary. Scary than yesterday. They're making all these noise. Yeah. Mr.
I don't know. Is this your whole opening? This one's actually pretty good, dude. Yeah, this sounds actually pretty good. Here. Pull my paw. Yeah. Solo over there, man, marking the tons of fish, man. Can't catch nothing.
I know. Oh, here it comes. Oh, here it comes. Oh, got it. Yeah. Ooh, this one's a fighter. This one's a fighter, guys. Ooh, oh, this one's a wiper. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can't lose this. This is my last special color. Oh, y'all know yours show up. I finally catch it. Oh, I lost it. Oh, no, he's still on there. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Get it back down there. Get it back down there.
Oh, he. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah, he's on.
Yeah. Right there, dude.
Oh, yep. Just fish these holes.
I saw this all the way up on the screen, so you went up? Oh, and I like, shit, the hell my chick go? Like, oh,
That's a little wiper, huh? Man, he's not giving you much, huh?
It might be a catfish because the way he's fighting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm like rolling and stuff?
He's just going slowly. He's not like really taking off.
I ain't running shit.
He's heavy though.
Yeah.
White bass, we're wiggling for striper.
You see them catch striper out of Woodson like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to try it. Yeah.
Last year, man.
That's the spots we catch them too. They
Oh,
fish
really?
all on. It's a channel to drop off right there.
Oh, in open water?
Yeah, where those
Yeah.
people are at.
Yeah.
Yeah. We finally figure it out, but they move around a lot though.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they don't sit still. So you get that run, then they stop. If you don't get it, then they'll stop a little bit.
Are you on a fish, mate? Oh.
Woo! Come on, big mama.
That's all good, man. 3 pound line, man.
See, if I had my big palm, oh, just
I'm gonna give you my surf rod for that.
Oh, I got you, Jake.
Oh, man, the ice be worming like it's snapped. Oh shit! Oh, there. Oh, right there's a wiper.
Yeah,
It's a good wiper.
yeah. You gotta get
It's
his
a
head
good
up.
wiper.
Yep, you gotta get his head up. It's all right. Just go nice and easy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Damn.
That's a good size one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, they's bigger than Johnny's. Ooh, don't be doing that. Oh my god. We on wiper to cut easy, yeah? Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god.
Oh, almost had him.
Oh my god. This is a
almost had
fatty.
him.
It's a fatty, Johnny.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Hey, there's some big stuff here.
Yeah.
I'll grab him.
But I can't.
I'll grab him. Oh. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, fat one, boy.
Yeah.
Suckers walk.
Then this fish up here.
No, that's not fish. It's been doing that. I think it's interference. Interference with their stuff too. Is it on it?
He just swimming up, psyching you out, man.
I have been killing it, but I just chased it, dog.
Oh, right there. Oh, told you I had to switch up. Yeah. This is not the rattle one though.
Yeah, that's the only the.
Ooh, this one's good. It might be a wiper. Ooh.
Might be your wiper.
Yeah. Ooh.
Moving. Yeah, that's the wiper.
Woo. St. Croix rod too, guys. I like this tip. It helps me see better.
Yeah, it's that He saws on one of the fish.
It's a good one.
So let's sit you believe man. They want video.
Oh, they want video evidence?
They think we're not catching it.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one's good.
It's amazing y'all Colorado buddies catching. Y'all just
I
taking
know.
pictures of the fish.
They just mad because we catching bigger fish than they want.
Ooh, he running, boy.
Boy.
He running.
Yeah, that's gotta be
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, that's a wiper. You might
Yeah.
know.
Ooh.
Choco, yeah.
Yeah, he running, yeah.
Choco, có đi wiper, yeah.
Come on, buddy. Bring him in.
Yeah, so you gave him his pole? You gave him your pole?
Yeah, the pole.
I got another
He
one.
brought two. I was like, let me get that red color.
That
I was gonna bring one for B, but B
is
was tongues.
pretty good. That's what I'm using.
Hey, 2B, if that color ain't doing you good, I'll give you a pink one.
Yeah, that's fine. They've been hit on that pink one.
It seemed like
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I'm gonna use.
Show him here's man killing on the pink one, he said.
Ooh, ooh, this guy's big.
No rules.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Black it, black
You think it
it.
might be a striper, bro.
I know. Oh my gosh. Don't be doing that.
The way he running might even be a striper. Get to the hole, get him out.
Don't you fucking get huh?
I go up.
You recording?
Yeah, or not.
Yeah, it's pulling, dude. You can't do nothing. Yeah, that's a wiper.
Don't be doing that. That scares me.
Man, you running you ragged, bro.
Oh God. Come on, man. He won't even let me pull. Let it be, Big Mama. Let it be a 10-pound crappie. 10-pound crappie.
10-pound crappie drop down like 3.
10-pound crappie. I'm down there.
I'm down one.
And I quit fishing for the rest of the day.
Oh.
Ooh. They throw your thing. Couple tunnels kicking in. Oh my gosh.
You was wiper too?
Yeah, he running you too. Oh damn.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. No.
It might be
Oh my
catfish.
god, he's going.
Oh, the catfish don't run like that.
Yeah, they just
Yeah.
They just
They find his over there too.
He got one too, dude, I think.
Yeah.
You got wiper over there too.
Both of them are wiper. Yeah, full drag.
Take your time, man. We got nothing but time today. You can.
Dude, you've been fighting this dude for 3 minutes now.
Oh, he won't let me lift up on her. Oh my god.
Take my line.
Oh, shit. Still fighting.
This is better. This is good ice
Got one over
fishing.
there too.
It's good ice fishing, boys.
Yeah, who waited? Who waited on you so much? Both of them, dude, I think. You saw them fight him for 4 minutes.
Yeah.
That'd be funny if they was just tied up to each other, bro.
No, mine is taking off.
Oh, no.
I would die, man.
No, I don't think.
Let me see him. Please let me see him. No, don't go. Don't go. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's right there. Oh my god, he's a wiper. He's big, bro.
Yeah, he's there. He's there.
Oh, right there. Oh, right there. Oh my god.
Yeah, you just go easy.
He right there. He right there. Oh.
I don't got him.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Over there. Oh my god.
Yeah, see if you can get his head
Yeah.
coming up.
Get
Solo.
his
I'm
head.
trying.
Yeah, just go easy. Yep.
Oh my god. This guy's a fighter. Ooh, that's a fatty. I switched to a pole he brought, so I'm like, I'm trying this red. Oh, barely hooked him too, guys. Oh man. Oh my god, just came right off.
Yeah.
Woohoo!